there, it's Kim Benny with Inspired Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to complete your candy cane plaque. So any of my designs can be ordered completed or as a kit like you see here. So if you have a friend that sees yours and they just don't want to get crafty themselves, they can order this completed, which means I'll string it and ship it off to them totally done. So be sure you let them know that. Alright, so I'm going to give you some basic techniques on how to complete yours here. When you received it, it has the sections outlined for you, and that is going to help you know how to make sense of this. So what I want you to do is string the white sections first. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white sections, and I want you to string those first, but for the video purpose I'm going to show you with the red, just because the white doesn't show up against the silver very well on camera. Okay, so let's pretend you've done all your white sections already, and I'm just going to show you the technique on the red down here. So what you want to do is tie your string onto your section just like you tie the beginning of your shoelaces. So do that 2 times, once, twice, around any nail in that section. Then go ahead and take your string and just do a basic outline tracing the area that I already marked off for you. And then you're going to pretend like you have a crayon in your hand and you're just scribbling inside the lines. You can go in any direction that you'd like. There's no right or wrong way to do it. And then once you have a layer completed, you'll gently press that down so it moves it a little bit closer to the wood so you have some room to work your next layers. And then you're going to repeat that process. You're going to outline again and then do your random stringing, making some new lines to fill in the space. And you'll probably do that 3 or 4 times. So you'll outline, random, random, outline, random, random, outline, random, random, 3 or 4 times until it's as full as you would like it to be. Once it's as full as you would like, you're going to create what I call a finishing border. And I'll just show you that real quick. So the finishing border, you just take your string and you're going to circle around 2 nails 2 times. So 1, 2. And then you're going to circle around the next 2 nails 2 times. 1, 2. And you just continue your way around. So if you can see here, that gives you a nice little finishing border. And you're circling around nails A and B, then B and C, then C and D, and you go all the way around. So it's just 2 circles around every 2 nails. And once you're done, you can go ahead and cut a nice long tail. Best tip for you, whenever you're tying on or tying off, leave a long tail as you see here, because that will make it so much less frustrating to try to tie. To tie off, you can go back to the original nail where your original tail is. Do a loop-de-loop around that nail so it kind of holds on. Cut off your long tail and then just tie those 2 strings together. Or you can just tie it around the last nail that you're on to finish it off. Once you are completely done, I like to take a drop of super glue or any kind of craft glue and just go around and dot it on each of those knots. Trim as close as you can and you'll be all done. So in this case, you're finishing the white sections first, then all of the reds, and then your green bow. When you do the bow, you can cross over when you're doing your random stringing. These nails that are on the inside here, just go ahead and cross over them, pretend like they're not even there. Just scribble inside your section. And then when you do that finishing border, you can take a look at the picture that's on your instruction sheet, and you'll see that these nails on the inside give the bow a little bit of extra definition. So you'll use those with your finishing border. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on my Yinspired Facebook page. The link for that is in the description of this video. I'd also love to see a picture of your project. You can order more projects by messaging me directly through the Facebook page or hop over to my Yinspired Etsy site. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great time doing your project. Enjoy!